Good morning. I am Clinton Charles, an application equipment product specialist for Case IH here at sunny and beautiful Farm Progress Show in Decatur here in 2025. On the Case IH booth here, we are showcasing our latest technology as we enter the Sense and Act portfolio. This was a product that we launched at Commodity Classic here back in March of 25 out in Denver, Colorado. Now we are showing it here at the Farm Progress Show in the Midwest. So as we turn our attention, what SenseApply is we've got a single cab mounted camera that we are utilizing to do two different sets of operations. The first set of operation is live variable rate. The camera is using 5 cameras to overlay 5 different sets of maps based upon the color of the plant. We are looking at light reflectance coming off the plant, monitoring, gauging plant health. The whole point of this is with live variable rate to be able to help healthy plants continue to grow and potentially scale back, use a little less inputs on plants that aren't healthy, or even getting to the point where we're applying products that to help desiccate soybeans, help desiccate cotton, plant growth regulators as well. Again, looking at plant health, so healthy plants, they might need a little bit more product. Less healthy, stressed plants may need a little less product. Just trying to help maximize those crop inputs during the entirety of the growing season. Second aspect of SenseApply is our site-specific spot spray technology. So this is a product that is a green on brown solution. So what we are looking at is any type of bare soil. It could be anything, whether it's worked ground or it could be no-till situations, could be fallow situations where we see green. We see a green weed, and then we specifically turn on 3 nozzles to target those weeds across the entirety of the boom, helping just maximize herbicide utilization, putting chemistries where the plants are and not utilizing chemistries where the plants aren't. One of the key things here is, as you summarize this all together, is the goal of this is to maximize our crop inputs. So help you maximize the utilization, the effectiveness of our crop inputs throughout the entirety of the growing season. So as we look at this right here, this is going to be our home screen on our Raven Viper 4. So just to give you an example of what the camera is seeing at any point in time. So earlier we had talked about our 5 different cameras. So RGB, red, green, blue, this is what the average human can see. So as you can see, we can make out all the colors of what that camera is seeing. This is our camera that's mounted on top of the cab roof. As we trigger through, now you see different colors. And so this is different reflectances. Obviously, we're not looking at plants as we're looking at various tents and people walking through. So just one example to show you what this camera is looking at to get that plant health. As we go into the interface here and get everything that we're trying to do, so basically we're going to start our job. We're going to have our task set up here. So here, when we start our task, this is where we're ultimately going to select which application are we doing. So selective spray or live variable rate. So let's just go ahead and start with live variable rate here. Once we select that, here you can see the 5 different modes that we're going to run in. So nitrogen fertilization, applying the right amount of nitrogen in the right location. Plant growth regulators, helping control the plant heights, i.e. cotton country is really a big user of that. Harvest aids, where we get into solutions where are we looking to help push plants along to maturity. You look at something like even bowl openers in cotton country. Fungicides, helping protect those healthy plants, helping try to maximize those healthy plants to defend from disease as much as possible. And then burn down is the last one here. Last operation. This is going to be for like your pre-emerge, pre-plant type of applications where we're simply going to go out. The more green we're going to spray, the lesser amount of green we're going to try to conserve product. Again, this is all scaled in the variable rate realm. When we look at selective spray, our spot spray, this is our green on brown technology, 2 modes here. Spot spraying by itself is specifically related to see green, spray it. Don't see green, don't spray. Base plus boost is an interesting list. This is industry exclusive for us. What this is we are utilizing the entire boom to spray. And then when we see those green weeds, we actually kick the rate up on those specific nozzles. So for applications where you want to lay that residual down, maybe you can scale that rate back just a hair bit, lay those residuals down, and then where you have patches of weeds throughout the field, you can kick that rate up. Again, green on brown only, not to be used in a post-emerge situation. So as we get into it, let's just do spot spraying as an example here. We're going to set our rate. So we're going to set max at 15 with spot spray. Our minimum is always going to be 0 because we want the boom to shut off. So we'll start this job here. We'll come in here, and then so now you'll see what the camera is looking at. So you see this blue type of dots right here. Effectively, that is measuring, that's your reflectance. So it's effectively seeing something that is green out there. So see green gives you a blue dot, and then we would turn on the nozzles to spray that weed right there.